What's up guys, Yuvraj here in the Python tutorial 2. So here on the screen, that is the view from the last video. We are here again in the IntelliJ idea, starting our Hello World project, and let's begin. So right click on the Hello World and click on new, choose Python file, name it, I suggest Hello World .py. Don't forget to write .py as it is a Python file. Press enter. So here it is, our new Python file or Python docs. So let's run how to print in Python. So this should be our first program to run. So let's right click on anywhere on the page, run Hello World. Okay, yes, it had printed Hello World. Mission passed. Print Hello World is printed, and if you have to print any number, then there is no need to write some codes. Only print parentheses and the number like 1 2 3 and run it. So here it is, 1 2 3 printed in the Python terminal. So here I will show the proof. Okay, so guys, here is the proof. Here on line 14, write print, and in the print write type, and in the type write the value, which is a. Okay, I will try with each value. Now first try with a. Let's stop printing this Hello World and print 1 2 3 because we are pretty known with the print function till now. Let's come to the type function program, and yes, it had printed the class strings because a is written in quotes, so it is a string, which I have told you in this line. Till now, what we have learned? We have learned the print function and the type function. So now let's print. Here type hello and backslash, and so backslash n is a command which states the other objects after this command should be printed on another line. Not understood? Now I will then you will understand it. Hello world, and in between hello and world I have placed the backslash n, run hello world. So here it is. Hello is printed on one particular line and world is printed on the other line. So now the other tab is print. Now type hello backslash and press T. T means tab and then press world. So here there is no space which I have left in between hello and world, but when I will run it, spaces are generated automatically when we write backslash T. Okay, 4 spaces are generated automatically when we write backslash T.